What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to animate and create a video like this on Canva, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your Canva design, into the size that you wish, hit the left sidebar of menus and go to elements. Once on elements, type Happy Stickman Dancing. Go to graphics and find the one that better fits your needs. I think this one is fancy, but you can select any one you like. Okay, I'm gonna select this one. After I'm gonna select another one to share. Then click into it. Go to Edit, into Magic Studio. Use this little arrow and click into this butterfly icon, image to video, use custom and type Happy Stickman Dancing. Here is a tip, okay? I have selected one of the Pro Medias. I can work with the Pro Medias. I need to use free media. So if I have this Chrome icon, I cannot use. I must use the free ones. Let me find a free one. Here we go. Here's a free one. Go to Edit. Let's repeat the process. Type Happy Stickman Dancing once again into the custom, and let's wait for the magic to happen. I will not cut a video so you can see the time that it actually takes. And here is the result. If you like, you can enter to your design. It's a good way to work, but there is another solution, okay? Go back to Elements. Type Happy Stickman Dancing and click on Generate Image. Instead of selecting an image, we're gonna generate one using AI. Once again, I won't cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes to generate image. This one looks fabulous. Apply this to your design, just like this. Then go to Edit, image to video, into the Magic Studio, type Happy Stickman Dancing, and click to generate. While we wait for the process to complete, remember to subscribe the channel and like this video. And here is the result we got. Let's apply to the design. Fancy, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.